Hello everyone, I'm Oggi. Today I'll be introducing Oggi VehicleShop, the newest script from our Callisto development store. First, I'll begin the presentation with the menu designed for players. The menu you see here is where players can preview vehicles and complete their purchases. Our dealerships are divided into two types, stock-based and unlimited stock dealerships. The stock system can be enabled or disabled through the configuration file. When the stock system is enabled, dealership owners and employees must add vehicles to the dealership's inventory. Otherwise, players will not be able to purchase those vehicles because they are out of stock. When the stock system is disabled, all vehicles will have unlimited stock. Please note that vehicles in dealerships that have not been purchased by a player will always have unlimited stock. You can also add multiple dealerships. Starting with the menu on the left, the vehicles are organized into separate categories. You can select from all categories, muscle, vans, and more. In the search field below the categories, you can type the model name of the vehicle you are looking for. By clicking the icon on the right, you can filter the list to display only the vehicles that are currently in stock. In the bottom menu, you'll find buttons to rotate the vehicle left and right, zoom the camera in and out, and finally reset the camera to its default position. On the right-hand side, the menu displays the vehicle's make and model at the top. Below the model information, the player's current bank balance and cash balance are shown. Underneath, you can see the vehicle's sale price along with its technical specifications. After reviewing these details, players can select a color from the preset options or create a custom color before purchasing the vehicle. Another feature that can be configured through the config file is the custom license plate system. When purchasing a vehicle, players can choose their own license plate by paying the price set in the config.lua file. Players can test drive the vehicle they wish to purchase for 1 minute. The duration of the test drive can also be adjusted through the config.lua file. Finally, I'll explain how to purchase a vehicle. First, I choose a custom license plate for my vehicle. As soon as we click the Purchase Vehicle button, a payment summary screen appears. At the top, we can see 3 separate sections: the vehicle's sale price, any additional charges such as the custom license plate fee, and the final total amount that needs to be paid. Directly below these sections, there is a field where players can enter a coupon code. Dealership owners can create coupon codes through the boss menu and distribute them to players. Once the coupon code is applied, the pricing section will also display the discount amount and the final total to be paid after the discount. And finally, we have the payment methods. There are 4 different payment options available. The first option is payment through a bank account, the second is cash payment, the third is payment by credit card. The fourth option is financing, which allows players to purchase the vehicle using a loan. Please note that credit card payments are only available on servers using the Oggi Bank script. Players on these servers must also have an active credit card account. On servers that do not use the Oggi Bank script, the credit card payment option will not be displayed. Players with a credit card can pay the total vehicle cost, including the added interest, in up to 12 installments. Our final payment method is financing, which allows players to purchase a vehicle using a loan. With this option, players can choose a repayment term ranging from 3 to 24 months. Credit card and financing interest rates vary depending on the selected repayment term. Server owners can adjust these interest rates through the config.lua file. Once players complete the vehicle purchase, a camera animation plays along with a "Congratulations on your new vehicle" message, completing the purchase process. The same animation is also shown to players who purchase a dealership. From this point onward, the features we'll cover are intended for server owners and players who own a dealership. First, if purchasing is enabled in the VehicleShop.lua file, Players can buy the dealership using in-game currency. If purchasing is disabled, authorized staff members can assign the dealership to a player using the Give VehicleShop command. On the dashboard page of the boss menu, daily, weekly, and monthly sales statistics are displayed. The dealership's incoming and outgoing cash flow is presented through detailed charts. The page also provides comprehensive information about every vehicle sold, including the buyer's full name, citizen ID, the vehicle's make and model, its sale price, and the exact time of the transaction. On the Vehicles page, all vehicles available for sale at your dealership are listed. If the stock system is enabled, the vehicles will initially appear with no stock available. Dealership owners and employees must add the vehicles they wish to sell to the inventory. If the stock system is disabled in the config.lua file, every vehicle will have unlimited stock. This menu provides general information about each vehicle, including its make and model, category, current stock level, the amount the dealership must pay to add it to the inventory, the profit margin, and the final sale price after the profit margin is applied. On the far right, the first option allows you to adjust the profit margin for an individual vehicle. This setting applies separately to each vehicle. A different option is available on the settings page for changing the profit margin of all vehicles in the dealership at once. The button on the far right is used to add stock. From here, you can order the vehicle you want to add to your dealership's inventory. There are two stock delivery methods: standard delivery and express delivery. With express delivery, the vehicle is added to the inventory immediately after an additional delivery fee is charged. With standard delivery, the dealership owner or employees must travel to the port area using a tow truck or transport truck, collect the ordered vehicles, and deliver them back to the dealership before they are added to the inventory. When a single vehicle is ordered using standard delivery, a flatbed truck is spawned for the delivery. When two or more vehicles are ordered, a transport truck and vehicle trailer are spawned instead. The flatbed can carry one vehicle, while the transport trailer can carry up to 4 vehicles. The delivery also supports multiplayer, allowing multiple dealership employees to participate in the same delivery mission. After clicking the Add Stock button, you must go to the Orders page and select Start Delivery to begin the mission. Since all orders are saved in the database, you can continue from where you left off even if the server is restarted. Every employee who completes a vehicle delivery receives a bonus based on the amount configured on the settings page. These bonuses are paid only from the profit generated by the delivered vehicle. During multiplayer delivery missions, the same bonus is awarded to every participating employee. Another page available in the Boss menu is the Showroom Vehicles page. Dealership owners can add showroom vehicles to the coordinates defined by server owners in the VehicleShop.lua file. After clicking the Add Vehicle button, they can select the vehicle model and color from the window that appears, and the vehicle will then be displayed in the showroom. Because these vehicles are not spawned as physical objects, They do not affect FPS or cause optimization issues. Showroom vehicles are saved in the database, so dealership owners do not need to set them up again after every server restart. They will remain in place until they are removed by the dealership owner or deleted directly from the database. Players cannot enter these vehicles, force their doors open, or remove them using commands such as DV. Another page available in the Boss menu is the Employees page. From here, dealership owners can hire new employees, view current staff members, pay salaries, adjust employee ranks, and dismiss employees. In the section below, detailed information about each employee is displayed, including their full name, citizen ID, online status, rank, hiring date, and available management actions. Functions such as adding vehicles to the inventory, managing financial transactions, handling coupons, and managing employees are available only to managers and dealership owners. Players with the sales representative rank do not have access to these permissions. On the finance page, you can view the dealership's current balance, the total revenue earned from vehicle sales, the amount spent on stock operations, and the overall net profit or loss. Dealership owners can also deposit and withdraw money from this page. The section below provides a detailed breakdown of all income and expense transactions. The Orders page is where delivery missions for vehicles ordered for dealership stock are started. From this page, you can begin a port delivery mission and review vehicles that were previously added to the dealership's inventory. The Coupons page allows dealership owners to create discount coupons for players. Previously created coupons are displayed in the section at the bottom of the page. To create a new coupon, dealership owners can click the Create Coupon button in the top right corner. In the window that appears, the coupon code, discount percentage, usage limit, and validity period must be entered. The coupon duration must be specified in hours. Once a coupon reaches its expiration date or usage limit, it is automatically deleted and can no longer be used. The section below displays detailed information about each created coupon, including the coupon code, discount percentage, number of times it has been used, and expiration date. On the Categories page, you can create new categories, rename existing ones, move a vehicle from one category to another, such as transferring a vehicle from vans to muscle, or delete categories entirely. All category changes are saved to the database, allowing them to be easily corrected if any issues occur. Vehicles removed from any category can be viewed in the Hidden Vehicles section at the top of the page. On the Settings page, the first feature I'd like to cover is changing the dealership's name. By clicking the Change Dealership Name option, the dealership name is updated instantly on both the user interface and the map blip. Another configurable option is Sales Profit. This setting allows dealership owners to increase or decrease the profit margin applied to all vehicles listed for sale in the dealership. The Edit Margin option on the Vehicles page allows you to adjust the profit margin for an individual vehicle. In contrast, the Sales Profit setting on the Settings page applies the same profit margin to all vehicles in the dealership at once. Another configurable option is the Stock Request Fee Rate. This setting determines the fee that players must pay to request the restocking of a vehicle that is currently out of stock at the dealership. For example, if I visit the dealership to purchase a drafter and discover that it is out of stock, I can click the Stock Request button to ask the dealership owners to restock it. After paying the request fee, which is calculated based on the percentage configured in this setting, a restock request for the drafter is created and added to the dealership's request list. When players submit a stock request, they pay a percentage of the vehicle's price as a request fee. Since this payment acts as a deposit, the amount they have already paid is deducted from the vehicle's final purchase price when they buy it. As a result, they only need to pay the remaining balance. The delivery bonus share option controls the employee bonus system for vehicle deliveries. Whenever a vehicle is successfully added to the dealership's inventory, every employee who participated in the delivery receives a bonus. The bonus is calculated as a percentage of the vehicle's profit, and this setting determines that percentage. Please note that the bonus is calculated only from the vehicle's profit margin, not from its total sale price. The final options are Clear History and Transfer Ownership. The Clear History option allows you to permanently delete the dealership's history and stored records after confirming the action in the confirmation window. The Transfer Ownership option allows the current dealership owner to transfer ownership to another player. Server owners can enable or disable the transfer ownership feature through the configuration setting in the config.lua file. That brings us to the end of the showcase for the Callisto Development VehicleShop script. The script is now available on our TBEX store for €15. Thank you to everyone who watched the video until the end. We truly appreciate your support. Have a great day, and stay tuned for more from Callisto Development.